Assalamualaikum. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can get the proper document or proper equation from a ChatGPT response, or alternatively, we can say that how we can copy ChatGPT or Gemini or maybe any AI response to a very fair, professional and editable equation. So now let's dive in. So first of all, come to this website here. I will put the link in the description, and in this website just look for messy document to Word. So click here. You might be landed in this particular page. This is the home page. Just click here, messy document to Word, and as you can see, we already have a placeholder document which has a very rough or very complex equations, but let's say we have something in our Gemini. So we have some maths and equations here, so I'll just copy the whole response from here. Okay, it's taking time, so it has been copied to our clipboard. Now let's go to the website and just remove everything from here and click paste. Okay, after pasting here, now let's click on compile and preview document. Click. It took just maybe a couple of seconds or milliseconds, and you can see a preview over here that yes, this is your response and the document, it's going to be like this. Now you have to click on download Word file, click here and click save. You can open it with your Microsoft Word and it should work properly. And after opening it, click on enable editing. Now after clicking on enable editing, you can see you can edit any equations in this document, and the document is just similar to what we have in our Gemini response. Okay, so and if you want to take this to your Google Docs, so you can just copy it from here, and let's go to our Google Docs. You can paste it here and you can get the document as like the actual response from the AI. So this is how you can copy and paste any equation or any ChatGPT response or any AI response with equations, with complex equations, to your Google Docs or Microsoft Word. I hope this helps you very much. Please share the video and like and subscribe for more. Thank you.